Okay folks, this will be a challenging one. Let's see if I can make this one turn up a treat. Oh fuck, what did I just accidentally press? This user interface can be a pain. I'm always pressing that fucking button all the time when I don't want it. Okay, let's see what we've got. We've got here, found it on the street, Anticol. I find nothing works for my blocked nose when I get a cold, or I just find this is a little bit gimmicky, like it's meant to help, but it doesn't. It doesn't work. It's just a fucking cough lollies. And even strepsils don't work for me. I hate colds and flu. I hate catching it. And this is what I hate about masks coming off on public transport, is not only can you catch more COVID, you're going to catch the cold or the flu. And it's summertime now, and in summertime and springtime is when I normally catch the flu. And I caught it a few weeks ago. So just in the, so that's come up looking quite interesting. I do like the screen dots. I don't like this L being as close as it is, so I don't know how I'm going to make that look, how that's going to work. Anticol. But yeah, they're just lollies, they just don't work. Sure, they might have the inhalant effect on you. Some people find that inhalers work as well, and I find nothing works when I get a blocked nose. That's it, my nose is fucked up, blocked, and I haven't actually used decongestants very often. I should try them again, see if I bought some Coles branded decongestants, and they didn't work at all, virtually. Only the nighttime tablets worked a little bit, perhaps. But I just didn't find that they were really practical. I don't know if that's going to work. But yeah, I just found they didn't work. They didn't produce the results I was hoping to get my nose clear. And inhalers are useless for my nose because my nose blocks up so badly that nothing can get in. Nothing gets in my nose, and that's looking shit house. We've got that L from there, which makes it look shit. I think we've done it wrong. Trying to see. I'm going to move it across. But yeah, they don't appear to work. I just have to ride it out, and I find when my nose gets blocked, it blocks up really badly for 2 nights on average. You just can't avoid it. So that's why I hate catching the flu, because it's just so unpleasant with all the blockages and that. And that's come up looking too elongated, but we've got the nose is there, and that's there. So I'm going to just have to maybe take out some of that stretch. 260 is too big. Yeah, that looks better, even though you can just make out that L, but I still need to enlarge it a bit less, maybe a lot less. Yeah, that looks a lot better. And we still have the L, but there's not much we can do about it. Sunlight is a bit too bright in this area here. Maybe a bit more on the vertical. And yeah, I don't know how this is going to look. On the horizontal, should I say, not the vertical. Maybe a bit on the vertical as well. Maybe 170 is too big. I don't know. We'll soon find out. Yeah, that looks better. We've got a little bit of the chin cut off, but we've gotten rid of the L. A bit of the head is just there, so maybe that looks really like it could be something. Don't know, folks. I don't know. It looks very minimalist. Does look very minimalist, folks. Very much. And this sunlight is really annoying me. It's going to make my art look shit. It's like the sun always cracks through at this time. It always cracks through when I'm making a demo. Fuck, I hate that. It really is annoying. It really ruins the presentation of my work when I'm just doing it in a very ad hoc sort of a way. Trying to get on the 6 o'clock news as a photocopier artist in search of a lost partner whose name is Luigi, and that I've got disabilities that are limiting myself in the normal workplace. I work in a Australian Disability Employment, or should I say enterprise. I think that's what ADE stands for. In other words, I had a cord around my neck and I came out feet first when I was a baby, when I was being born, and this fucked up my fucking brain, and yeah. And I also do believe I may have high-functioning autism, and I've been diagnosed for another disability, which I don't want to mention because it's got too much of a stigma and I'm really ashamed of it. But basically, yeah, I've got multiple disabilities, folks. It's a real pain in the ass, but you know, what can you do? You just have to do your best and just try and focus on what you can fucking do, not what you can't. You got to focus on what you can. Be positive, folks. Think positive. Try your best. Try and work it out, what you can, and not as opposed to what you can't. And that's come up looking interesting. The sunlight's just fucked it up, but I think we can call it quits.